Okay, so ladies, we're talking on page 16 now in your notes, all right? So we're doing 5-5, all right? The difference of two squares.
Wait, what page are we on?
16.
Is this our homework?
All right,
Yeah.
so ladies, let's take a look now at a particular problem. So let's look at y plus 7 times y minus 7. Okay, and for the purposes here, I'm going to explicitly put the O and the I because we want to learn a process. So, give me the F term, ladies.
Y squared.
Y squared. Give me the O term, ladies. Minus 7y. Give me the I term,
But you're all supposed to write.
plus 7y. And give me the last, minus 49. Okay, so ladies, what do you notice about the O and the I
They
terms?
cancel each other out.
Yes, because they are opposites, right? Okay, so these
That's the property of opposite.
jobbies cancel, all right? And we are left with then
Y squared minus 49.
y squared minus 49. Okay? And take a look at what we end up with. So when the outer and the inner cancel, we have the square of the first, y squared, and then we have the square of the last, 49, minus sign in front of it. All right? So guys, we have a perfect square term, a minus sign, and another perfect square term. So this is called the difference of two squares.
Oh.
Okay? And, ladies, since the O and the I cancel, we just have F and L. And guess what I call this method?
Full.
Florida.
Because FL is
It's also
Oh, it's the initials.
fluoride.
Is it?
Yes, it is. Every state has a two-initial code, and so this is Florida. Okay? So remember
It's also
Florida.
fluoride. It's fluoride for the elements. Fluoride?
Yes, very, very good.
Means fluorine?
Fluoride.
Fluorine. Fluorine. Yes.
It's just F, I thought.
No, F
No, no.
is.
Oh, no. You're right.
Yeah.
Because chlorine
Yeah.
is Cl. Because you got carbon.
Oh,
Yeah? All right. Okay, so ladies, let's take a look. Ladies, let's take a look. Why did the outer and the inner cancel?
Because they're
negative
opposite.
and a positive opposite.
Yeah, because
Property of opposites.
the minus sign here gave us a minus 7y, and the plus 7y gave us, the plus sign here gave us a plus 7y, so they canceled. All right? So, having the different sign here caused the cancellation, but the other important thing is that in the two binomials, the first elements are the same, and the last elements are the same. So these two binomials that give us the difference of two squares have exactly the same terms in them, except the signs are different. Okay? And guys, when you have two binomials, the only difference between them being the signs between the two terms, they are called, look on your paper,
Difference of two squares.
conjugates. So guys, y plus 7 is the conjugate of y minus 7. And likewise, y minus 7 is the conjugate of y plus 7. Okay? So again, let's repeat that conjugates are two binomials where the first elements are the same, the last elements are the same, but the signs between the two elements are different in each of the two binomials. Okay?
So easy.
Yes. Yes,
So
yes.
nice.
Okay. So, ladies, I want you to work the 4 problems at the bottom.
Dr. One said for like our homework, do we need to show this step in the middle?
So ask the question again, Emma.
When you have the two terms that cancel, do you have to write that out?
No. So when you have those two terms that cancel, you don't write them out. Okay? What you do is you do your observation from the beginning. When they are conjugates, then you know that it's going to be the difference of two squares. It's going to be the, listen ladies, it's going to be the first squared and the last squared and a minus sign in between because you have a plus times a minus. All right, so all you have to do to carry out this process, ladies, is to know that they're conjugates, know that it's going to cancel. So look up here. So all you have to do is look at one of the binomials. You square the first term, write it down, y squared. Okay? You square the second term, the 7 squared is 49, and you put the combination of the plus minus, you put the minus sign in between them. All right? That's all you have to do in carrying out the process.